Hi, welcome to Tax and Business Topics with Solidus CPA. Today we are going to talk about LLCs, limited liability companies formation. LLCs are a very popular business structure in the United States that combine the liability protection of a corporation and the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership. Forming an LLC involves several steps that vary from state to state. Here is an overview of the process. Choosing a name for the LLC. The name should include Limited Liability Company, LLC abbreviation. It must be unique and not already being used by another business entity in your state, and it must comply with state regulations. You should select a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity designated to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent needs to have a physical address in the state where the LLC is formed. You also need to submit articles of organization. Prepare them and submit it with the Department of State. This is a formal document that usually includes basic information about the LLC, such as its name, registered agent, address, and the names of the members or owners. You need to create an operating agreement. It's advisable, even if it is not required. This is to avoid misunderstanding between members. You need to obtain an employer identification number. This is required for opening a business bank account, to hire employees, and to file employment taxes and other taxes as required. You need to comply with state requirements. Depending on your state, you may need to obtain additional requirements, licenses, or permits to legally operate your LLC. You also have to pay fees like filing fees associated with forming the LLCs, and the amount of fees varies by state. You may also need to post a notice. Some states require that LLCs publish a notice in a local newspaper informing the public of the formation of the LLC. You also may need to submit annual reports and also pay the associated fees to maintain active status of the LLC. It is important to note that the specific requirements and steps can differ significantly depending on the state where you are forming the LLC. Therefore, it is recommended that you check with your state Secretary of State or equivalent agency to have a detailed and updated information on your state specific requirements and processes. While forming an LLC is relatively straightforward, the legal and tax considerations can be complex. So, consulting a legal professional or business advisor can help you ensure that you follow the correct process and make informed decisions about your business. Thank you so much. See you next time.